Mega cap stocks. Stock News 2020. These kind of stocks are the better version of blue chip stocks, so stay tuned. Subscribe to this channel, hit the bell button so that you don't miss any upcoming videos. So let's get started. So let's dive into this video about mega cap stocks. So mega cap stocks are defined with a market capitalization of over 200 billion US dollars. So there are roughly about 30 American mega cap stocks. So it is mega cap companies are very stable companies. So it is a good idea to invest in them. So let's start with the two lowest mega cap companies and then two largest mega cap stocks. So the first mega cap stock is Comcast, and it has about 190,000 employees. So that's a lot actually. And yeah, the market cap here is like 204 billion US dollars. The dividend is like 2%, so it is considered as a dividend stock. That's why it didn't lose its value 1 year ago. And this year they could make roughly about 5 billion US dollars in profit. That's the beauty of mega cap stocks, that they, even during this crisis, they don't lose money. Even they still can make profit. Smash the like button, like the smash button. So the next mega cap stocks is Pfizer. And this company was founded in 1849, something like that. And it has about 88,000 employees. So the market cap here is about 211 billion US dollars. The dividend yield here is like 4%. So it is also considered a dividend stock. Any questions so far? Feedbacks or comments? Just leave it in the video description below. Alright. The next, so now here comes the two largest mega cap stocks. So the Microsoft is one of the most valuable companies in the world. Ticker symbol MSFT stock. And Microsoft stock has a market capitalization of 1,732 billion US dollars. And its dividend yield is roughly 1%. So these kind of stocks are considered as growth stocks, and you will see it later. It was founded roughly in 1975. So like 1 year ago, the stock price was like $138. So you would literally almost double your money if you invest in Microsoft like 1 year ago. Let's look further, like 5 years ago, the stock price was like roughly $44. So you would, roughly 5 times your investment if you invest in it like 5 years ago. That's why it's called growth stocks, because of its high return. The next mega cap stocks is Apple. Apple is the most valuable company in the world with a market capitalization of 2,135 billion US dollars. The dividend yield here is like less than 1%, is 0.66%. These kind of stocks are considered as growth stocks, so they don't focus much on dividends. And this one was founded like in 1977, something like that, and it has about 137,000 employees, as far I can remember. That's what I've read. So here the market, the Apple stock price 1 year ago was at roughly $209. So you would more than double your money if you invested in it like 1 year ago. Let's look further, like 5 years ago, the stock price was at $104. $14. So you would roughly like more or less 4 times your investment if you invested in it like 5 years ago. There are over 100 videos on my YouTube channel. Check out, for example, the investing playlist in the video description below. Subscribe and see you next time.